Hello YouTube friends and welcome. Today I have for you a Ganzo knife that I would like to show you. As you probably know, Ganzo is making really nice value budget uh, folding knives, and it is really a pleasure to collect them, to use them, or to give them as a gift. So comes with this older styled pouch. And I forgot, this is the model number G746-1-BK. So BK stands for the black variant. Okay, so we have a G10 scale over a stainless steel liner. As you can see, the lock is a axis lock, mostly known from benchman knives. And we have here a nice like so dagger style, so symmetric grinded blade. And we have a overall length of 20 centimeters or 7.87 inches. The blade on this one, like probably on all Ganzo knives, is 440C. The length is 8.5 centimeters or 3.35 inches. The close length is 11.5 or 4.5 inches. And the blade width is 2.3 centimeters or 0.9 inches. The weight of the knife is 110 grams or 3.9 ounces. We have a smooth to medium, really more on the smoother side, textured G10 with nice milled out grooves for added traction. The pocket clip is really just a standard fold over. Has is a little bit on the stronger side, but that is good because you will not lose your knife and still you can push it reasonably into your pocket. The inside of the knife, as you can see, the scales are not milled out, so they could save a little bit of weight, but then of course the production would be a little bit more complicated. That would be another step in the production. So price wise, you are looking at around $18. I will annotate a link where I bought the knife, and if you like, you can check it out. You can choose from black, green and orange, so that is for the G10 scales. The construction has also a nice large lanyard opening here at the back. And also the pocket clip is interchangeable. You can put it on the other side if you are left-handed or right-handed user, which is always good to see. So the studs, the thumb studs for the opening are also ambidextrous, full size, so you will have no problems if you are looking for a really nice lefty friendly knife, then lefty user knife, then in my opinion this is a really great construction. And even my XL size hand, the 20 centimeters overall length is adequate, so no problems there. I'm not feeling any hot spots. These corners are not sharp, which is very good to see, because on lots of Chinese knives they are forgetting about the chamfering, and these corners are really sharp. Also on the pocket clip, because they are maybe laser or water jet cut, so therefore. But really nicely made, and still on the budget side, so price cautious and excellent for the money. So if you have any questions, please leave comments down below, and as always, have a nice day. Bye.